Okay, a good friend who's a great droid builder taught me this little trick about the chopper dome doors and the arm extensions. I thought I'd create a little video of how we program this in. So I'm going to start a new sequence and we're at 0 frame. If I go to status here, nothing is powered up. Well, we want that to be save frame. So that's going to be 0. Now, what I have here is I have right dome door, left dome door, then the arm extensions, and then the flexing, the periscope, and the periscope turn and LED. Now, it's the arm extensions right now when they're not powered, they're basically collapsed from the dome and they're leaning against the inside of the dome doors, causing resistance, causing your servos to burn out. So the first frame that I want to do is I want to power the left and the right arm extensions, because what that's going to do, it's going to retract them up to their position where they're no longer leaning against the dome doors. So save that frame. Then the next thing I can do is I can open up the dome doors and I'll power them, and then I'll slide them open, save the frame. Now my arms are still retracted. So then what I can do is on this next frame, I want to bring them out and there's no resistance. I'll save the frame. Then I can do the flex arm on both of these. Okay, save that frame. Then I can bring it back in, unflex them, save it. Then I want to bring the arms back into the body, save that. Remember, now they're still up against the top of the dome. Then I'm going to close the doors, save the frame. And right now the arms are still retracted. At this point, on the very last frame, I'm going to shut off all the power, save that frame, and that becomes your sequence. Now remember, your arms are still now resting against that dome door. So you have to go back in, and when you play this sequence, the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to power up the arms, then you'll have the doors open, then the extension, then the flexing, then the unflexing, the retracting back into the body, the door closing, and then your power off. Something to that extent. I mean, I may not have this perfectly, but that's what you have to do. What that's going to do is that will take the resistance off of your door so they can slide easily in and out without burning out the servos. I hope this helped. It works really well on my chopper now. I have no issues with it whatsoever.